guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Flight 89. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike Air Flight 89, and we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US men's 8.5. And we got the white and black colorway, and let's just get it open. Here we go. And in my humble opinion, the Nike Air Flight 89 is probably the most underrated Nike sneaker of all time. And you can see, I mean, I'm going to get into the details soon, but there's a certain Air Jordan 4. Well, the Air Jordan 4 took a lot of inspiration from this sneaker and took a lot from it, literally. So we'll show you from the undersole. So we'll start with the outsole. It's outsole, all rubber outsole. You can see the herringbone traction padding there, and the Nike at the middle there. And the midsole unit, you got your Air unit at the back. There's an Air unit at the forefoot as well. You can see the foam all around. Also, you got the black and you got the white. And what I was going to mention about the Air Jordan 4 is that the Air Jordan 4 uses the same midsole and outsole unit as the Air Flight 89s. So Tinker was messing about with this sneaker and thought, you know what, let's put on for Michael Jordan's shoe. So you can see a lot of the resemblances in regards to there. You can see that bump here as well. You can see, I mean, that's so iconic on an Air Jordan 4. And in my opinion, that's one of the reasons why this sneaker is heavily underrated. One of the best Jordan silhouettes took inspiration from this. And essentially it's the same technologies. You're wearing a Air Jordan 4 without the Air Jordan name on it. Anyway, moving on, so you got an all leather upper, and it's got this tumbled effect right there. If you look at the toe box, you can see the wrinkles. It's a really nice leather right there. I mean, you don't see a lot from Nike. Nike have been inconsistent recently in regards to their production when it comes to the leathers they used. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'll still buy it, and Nike, we love you because you do retro. I'm a sucker to buy it, but we do expect some better materials. In this case, it is quite good. See it there, and you can see there's like some partitioning right there. You got some black piping, that's right there on the medial and the lateral side. The lacing system is kind of similar to the Air Jordan 4, which I'm going to say a lot, always the Air Jordan 4 similar to this. It is the other way around, but you know, you guys watching, and I'm pretty sure there's loads of sneakerheads watching this videos. Drop some love in the comment section below. We know you're watching. You can see the similarities. There's usually that cage unit on an Air Jordan 4, but you can see it kind of similar right there. It's not the neoprene netting that you see on the 4, but you can see the lace locks are kind of similar. Tongue heavily padded with a big Air Flight stitched on there as well. What I like about the tongue is the Air Jordan 4 is the same because you got the upside down Air Flight right there. So let me just move it there as well. So it's upside down like the Air Jordan 4. Moving along to the middle and the lateral side on the side views, so you can kind of see it. You got the swoosh in this black leather right there, nicely padded upper. Obviously this is a basketball sneaker, so you got the padding for your ankle support. At the back you got the Nike Air stitched on, and yo, if you wanted the Air Jordan 4s, you wanted it with that Nike Air. If you can't get the Air Jordan 4 with the Nike Air, get yourself a pair of 89s. They're just as good. It's the same technology, guys. On the insole you got the Nike Air unit there, right there, and you've got the elastic brace that supports the tongue, you know, keeps your feet in as well. And that rounds off my review of the Air Jordan 89. Severely underrated sneaker. as you can see right there, the inspiration for the Air Jordan 4. It's made by Tinker Hatfield, so you know, it's one of the GOATs. And I'm really excited to try these on. Guys, if you weren't able to get a pair of Air Jordan 4s, I highly recommend a pair of these Air Flight 89s. If you're looking for an Air Jordan 4 review, we've done tons, so check out our backlog there. If you get a second, we'd love you to see our old videos. I can't wait to show you what these look on. So roll out footage of me trying these Air Flight 89s on for you beautiful people. Despite a little bit of difficulty getting my feet in, I recommend that you get your true to size fit when it comes to Nike. I'm a UK size 7.5 and these fit just right. They're just a bit tight, but that's because there's an elastic like pull on them in the inner, as I showed you on the insole. But other than that, these are pretty cool. Dope pair of sneakers, very retro, early 90s feel. Well, this was released in 89, so you could have been wearing these in 1990. Again, it's an Air Jordan 4, really, but with a Nike thing, with like a Nike Air slapped on it. If I don't want to use the excuses of poor man's Air Jordan 4, because it's not. The Air Jordan 4 took inspiration from this. So if you've got a pair, hold your head high and know that you've got the OG Air Jordan 4s. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.